Okay, so people ask me about Trade Like the Pros. It's actually one of my favorite programs that I've ever created, and it's because it's just like me. It's straight to the point. It's no fluff. We get in, we're focused on one asset class. We have 3 milestones. Milestone 1, I teach you about the futures market. I teach you the history of the futures market. I teach you how to day trade the futures market with a high probability of success in milestone 1. In milestone 2, I teach you the mathematical breakdown of professional strategies. Okay, so we not only give you the strategy, we break the math down so that you can actually understand it for yourself and develop that skill set. Then we show you how to use computers to do 90 to 100% of the work for you to help you be more productive and a high probability of being a consistently profitable trader in milestone 2. And then in milestone 3, we teach you how to trade with other people's money, or OPM. So a lot of people may say, well, why would people give new traders or other traders money to trade for them? And I always respond, that's Wall Street 101. Right? Wall Street raises money from investors or raises money from the public. And then those hedge fund managers like myself trade that money using the other people's money, and then they split the profits with the investor. So if you put your money here in this fund, then that hedge fund manager or that fund manager charges you a fee to manage and trade the money. And then when the profits are made, the hedge fund manager and the investors split the money, right? And that hedge fund manager doesn't really have any risk because it's not his money. He's trading the investors' money, other people's money, and they're able to split the profit. So I teach you how to do that step by step. And it was very important for me to put a program like this together because I wish I had something like this when I first got started. I had the opportunity to work at a hedge fund and see it in real life. And so that's how I was blessed to have that opportunity. But for the average everyday person, they don't know that, they don't understand that, and they definitely don't know how to do that. So those are the key things that I teach in Trade Like the Pros. And men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. We have over $7 million of funded traders in just the last 60 days in and of itself. And, I'm very proud about it, and I'm very excited for any and everybody that's interested in joining.